GG. The following video is intended for immature audiences only. Viewer discretion is advised. Stoli! Don't eat my camera! Don't do it! Don't do it! Don't do it! Stoli! GG. They're gone. I decided I'm going to start a new series on the Uncensored channel. And I am going to take the video that's just fucking inappropriate for the main channel. So, here we go. Monday, February 20th, 2023. Check out the bloopers. Another day, another dollar. What the hell going on over here? Help, I've fallen and I can't get up. You know what it reminds me of? Reminds me of there's a, it's gross by the way. There's these two crackheads. One male, one female. And obviously the male is banging out the female at a like a bus stop somewhere in I don't know, somewhere in Grossville. Like, what is, come on, what is wrong with you? The fuck? You alright? Oh shit. Everyone's got a ring around these days. Yeah. Hi, how are you? Good. Can we come in? Yes. Thank you, sir. How are you? Good. I'm Mike, and Nick is behind me.
How are you?
How are you?
Very good.
Have we been here before?
A different guy.
Okay. Very good. So what's going on? Tell me what's going on.
My boiler is leaking.
It's leaking?
Yeah.
Okay. Steam boiler?
For the heat.
Water heater? Or boiler?
The boiler.
The boiler. Boiler's leaking.
Yeah. I don't know if it's leak, but on the... It just happened yesterday.
Okay, let's go see.
Alexa, turn on downstairs. Alexa, turn on basement.
Wow. But didn't turn that one on though.
No, just that. This one, look, the floor is like... Yeah,
oh.
It's steam coming up and water coming up here.
Yeah. Okay, how do we get the door here? We need some more room. Alexa, make some more room for us.
Yep, I'm making room for
So you got this steam boiler. It's been leaking for a while, looks like.
I guess.
When's the last time the boiler was serviced?
Yeah, I just noticed yesterday.
No. When's the last time the boiler was serviced? No? Okay.
Yeah.
So you just read the I've Got a Steam Heat book by Dan Holohan, right? Yep. Can you tell me if there's anything wrong with the Hartford loop here? Want the flashlight?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is it right here? Is this the pigtail?
Yeah.
That's the pigtail?
No. I want you, since you just finished that book, I want you to tell me if there's anything wrong with the Hartford loop.
Right here.
No, it's not the Hartford loop.
It's not?
No. It's okay. All right. With the flashlight. Let me continue going what's going on. That's not the Hartford loop. That's the Hartford loop right there.
Right here?
That T, no.
Right
The
here?
T, no. Either you know or you don't.
Where's the T?
That's the T right there.
Oh, back here?
Yeah, that's the T. Okay. All right, let's see the front of it. All right. Okay. Pretty decent there. And we have side view. Good. Let's take a look underneath. No, I just want to see up there.
Okay.
Okay. No rust, so the boiler's probably pretty intact. Just higher than what it's reading. I want the boiler to come on and fire up. So we got a SIN5, manufactured July 2007. This is 140,000 BTU input. Operates on 3.5 inches of water column gas pressure. Okay, let's see if we can do some identifications again. Is there a light in here? Nope. Do you remember what that's called?
Oh, adapter.
Okay, automatic vent damper. If you come onto this side of the side, what do we call this thing with the clear cover on it?
Aquastat?
Nope.
Well, it says pressure control on
Yep.
it.
Below that loopy pipe.
That's the pigtail.
Okay, what is that black box there called?
I have this working lights.
Is that a pressure regulator? Or
No.
pressure reducer?
No, actually says it, low water cutoff on it.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. The glass, the vial that's all rusted up,
This is a view glass for the water.
sight glass with valves, and this right here is called an automatic water feed. Our relief valve is right here, and that should be 15 psi. Yep, 15 psi. I'm willing to wager that we have a clogged pigtail. Maybe. Maybe not. Probably some bad sight glass. Nuts and washers. Based on what you have going on over here. Yeah, she's loose. Move her around. Alright, so these valve hasn't been turned in a while. Okay. So let's close the upper and lower valves of the sight glass. Take the two rods out, and we're gonna change the sight glass, the nuts, and the washers. There she is. And the copper's walking her home. This looks okay now. He's happy. Wow. Good stuff. If you can identify the model or brand of that shower body, email me, Mike@MikeyPipes.com, and hook you up with $5 to your cash
If
app.
you're not calling Mikey Pipes, you're getting screwed.
There you go. That's right.